Hey everyone, today we're going to be making these great joggers from a pair of pants. Enjoy. Here's what you'll need. Quick little overview, see everything. We need a ruler of some type, the pants that you're going to use, the rib knit, scissors or some cutting tool, a tape measure maybe, some pins, and let's go. So here's me just trying on the pants to see how they fit and rolling them up and pinning them about 4 inches above where they need to be. So like right at my ankle, right at the top of my ankle. So now you want to go ahead and fold over your pants, and we're going to take our ruler and place it right at the pin. Take your scissors or rotary cutter and cut right below the pin. And do the same for the other leg. Here I'm just measuring to make sure they match up, and go ahead and cut. And this is what your pants should look like once you cut it. Now go ahead and take your rib knit fabric. I have a skirt that I'm using, and go ahead and mark where you want it to be at cut, and there you go, your fabric's cut out. Make sure you double layer that. Here I'm just measuring around, make sure it's a snug fit, and pin at where you need to cut for each angle. Now you want to go ahead and cut at the mark that you pinned for each ankle, fold it over and pin that, and that is going to be your cuff for your pants legs. Do this twice and you have both cuffs. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our pants inside out and make a hem for both legs. This is easy, just turn it, fold it over, and go ahead and pin that. Just like you see here, I'm folding it over and I'm pinning. And I actually added pleats because these pants legs are kind of big, so you just kind of pleat over the fabric and pin that as well to match your cuff, so it'll fit better once you stretch your cuff around. Once you're done pinning the hem, you're ready to go ahead and sew it. If your sewing machine has a removable piece, go ahead and remove that now so it's easier for you to fit your pants leg over and sew. And here's what your pants leg will look like once you have completed the hem. Now let's get ready to sew our rib knit material. Here we have our rib knit material. Since mine was a skirt, I already have a hem at the bottom, but if yours is just 2 pieces of fabric, you're gonna sew at the bottom and around the 2 sides, fold over, and then sew that side again. I'm just sewing up my side because I already have a hem at the bottom from this already being a skirt. Now just go ahead and try on both of your cuffs. Make sure they're nice and snug. Now turn your pants right side out and then turn your cuffs inside out. Just as I show here, you're going to go ahead and make sure that the seam is on the outside. Match up your seams and feed your pants leg through the cuff. The raw edge will be at the bottom. Then you want to go ahead and pin this and sew around. I sewed mine twice just so they were durable and sturdy. You can sew yours once or twice, whatever you prefer. Now once you're finished sewing both of your pants legs, this is what it would look like. Folded down and you have your joggers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out more of our DIYs and see you in the next one. Bye.
Let me go.